we must say mall is now a meeting point more than just a retail shopping destination, and that is what the mall is all about today. It is not creating the shopping exposure, it is creating the job opportunity from different perspective. It is actually becoming the job factory, the mall, more than a shopping and a customer experience zone. First, what are the opportunities are there inside the brand? Now, starting with the marketing department. Second department is the visual merchandising. Their job is to make those people who have come to my store but outside the store, their job is to make them walk inside the store. Like they are the operational team, sales associate or sales team member. So they have different hierarchy, like marketing or visual merchandiser might be one per store, but sales associate can be 10 to 15 and maybe more than that, depend upon the size of the store. Now, what are their hierarchies? There is a sales associate, they have their team leader. Upon team leader, they have a assistant departmental manager, then the departmental manager, and there is a assistant store manager, then the store manager. So this is the hierarchy, the operation hierarchy, the sales operation hierarchy. What offer will be profitable for my store, and how I am segregating on creating that offer. That also creates a different kind of analysis. So there is a requirement of analyst also, the MIS part. Then there is a events and marketing team. Their job is to curate the plan for the mall, that my mall has schools or colleges in and around.
आगे बढ़ने से पहले आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ताकि हम डिफरेंट फील्ड से जुड़े हुए एक्सपर्ट्स के साथ इसी तरह के इंसाइटफुल पॉडकास्ट बनाते रहें। तो अनिर्बन, मॉल में हम लोग तो शॉपिंग के लिए जाते थे, नॉर्मल पता है। मॉल में शॉपिंग के अलावा और भी इतने कुछ होते हैं जिसको हम आपके नजरिए से जानना चाहेंगे।
We must say mall is now a meeting point more than just a retail shopping destination. It actually creates a big hub, and that's why today mall is just not a shopping destination. You can say it's an entertainment hub, it's a cultural hub, it's for kids, it's a playing zone, for moviegoers it's an entertainment place, for foodies it is a food joint, and moreover, most importantly, it's a biggest digital ecosystems where people love to get clicked, love to get captured their different moments. So today in this discussion we are trying to decode that changeover of the mall with different instances, different topics which might give you a different kind of an update. So tighten your seatbelt because we are taking you through some blockbuster journey.
तो स्टार्ट करते हैं ये ब्लॉकबस्टर जर्नी एक पॉइंट से। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये बताओ, लोग, आपने तो फर्स्ट डिकोड किया कि लोग मॉल में मीटिंग पॉइंट एज ए मीटिंग पॉइंट यूज़ कर रहे हैं, बट उस मीटिंग पॉइंट में जाने के लिए तो बहुत सारे मॉल्स हैं। अगर आप किसी मॉल से जुड़े हुए हो तो आप उस मॉल में जो भीड़ होती है, जो फुटफॉल्स होती है, वो आप कैसे बढ़ाते कैसे हो आप लोग?
See, again, मॉल को मैंने मीटिंग पॉइंट क्यों बोला? Before anything I say, we must understand this first. Mall, as I mentioned, that mall actually has replaced many physical meeting points, destinations. It has captured the physical adda sessions from outside to inside. अगर बाहर बहुत बारिश हो रहा है and people have nowhere to go out, maybe a park, maybe a community center, wherever you want to go. But if you come to any mall, you will find that crowd gathering, be it in the food court, be it in the community place, be it during the events which you are playing, but any different floors where the shopping destinations are there, maybe fashion, maybe cosmetics, maybe footwear, maybe eyewear, maybe luggage, anything. And also the multiplexes also. Now why it happens and how it happens? Because every mall caters to some particular segment, a area, a catchment from where people love to come. You will hardly find 2 or 3 malls within the same catchment because the mall has tenants, I mean the brands, and they also prefer to get that business from that particular catchment. तो एक catchment में 2 mall नहीं हो सकता.
कैचमेंट बोलने का मतलब?
From where the people are coming to us. It's an area we are targeting. Like if I am placing in maybe Sham Bazaar, in one place in Kolkata, so I will expect that within from a distance of 5 to 10 kilometers, people will come to us. Beyond that, might not come. If I create something interesting for them, which might allure them, attract them, they definitely will come and go. watch and see, because maybe city में हम लोग पहली बार कर रहे हैं, kind of that. Now coming to how we attract. Now a mall is basically a converge of different brands, different outlets, as I mentioned, different players who love to play or compete with their customers and giving them the better experience. So they generally prefer to do their marketing in their own way. They know who are their customers and how to bring them back to their stores. And as a mall developer, we personally feel that if a person is coming to a mall, they are not only coming for shopping, they are coming for spending time. So we prefer to create something for them which make them happy, make their children who are associating them, bring smile to their faces. How I can make them engage, maybe through some kids zone, some activity, some community activity, like we arrange some activations, some events within the weekend time जब footfall ज़्यादा होता है. Maybe because of that thing people are coming from different thing, like winter is coming, so maybe in one mall we plan to organize some bakery and cake festival or biryani and kebab festivals. So people, those who are foodie, they prefer to come to that mall keeping in mind मुझे ये food festival attend करना है. But when they are having food, they prefer to go here and there also. चलो एक बार shopping कर लेते हैं. Shopping करने के लिए I go to A store, B store, C store, maybe in different floors. उसके बाद उसको लगा कि बच्चे को साथ में लाए हैं तो there is a kids corner, let's go and spend some time over there. So he also becomes happy. After that they personally feel that हम लोग तो 3 महीने बाद कहीं घूमने जा रहे हैं, तो we need a luggage, तो let's go to some luggage store. खरीदेंगे नहीं खरीदेंगे, at least we can check it out. विंडो शॉपिंग भी हो जाएगा, क्या दाम है, क्या चल रहा है. तो in and around that we need to create some reason, some call for action to bring people in our mall, and accordingly we make them engage through different activity, different engagements, different zones inside the mall. As I mentioned that today mall is the biggest large destination ecosystem hub for digital, specifically those who are content creators, specifically who love to get clicked, love to create memories, or love to post something in their respective social pages. They love to click here and there, and they are the people who are actually spending more time inside the mall. And as a management, the mall management must have the understanding that these are the people who are coming to you regularly. So you should create something which make them happy and make them stick to your mall so that they're not going here and there. If this is possible, this calls or this creates an experience for all of them, and this actually binds them with your brands, with your mall, with your entity, and that brings the business also in the coming days or within that time.
हमारे जो ऑडियंस हैं वो ज़्यादातर स्टूडेंट और पेरेंट्स भी होते हैं. थोड़ा काम की बात पे जब आते हैं तो इतने सारे कैटेगरीज, इतने सारे ब्रांड्स, इतने सारे सर्विसेज एक मॉल्स में होते हैं, तो डेफिनेटली वहाँ पे उतने सारे लोग भी काम कर रहे हैं जो ये सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. तो अगर हम जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ की बात करें तो उसके बारे में आप क्या बता सकते हो? मॉल में कितनी सारी जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ होती हैं और किस किस लेवल की होती हैं?
Like I will definitely give you a better answer for this. Just to make the audience understand who are actually listening to us, I would like to give this answer in 3 parts. First, let's take a very easy example. हम लोग सब क्रिकेट मैच देखते हैं. We love cricket because it entertains us. If I consider mall as a cricket match, so in cricket match what happens? Players get changed, the teams get changed, even the pitches also gets changed. जो चेंज नहीं होता है वो है द प्लेग्राउंड, द स्टेडियम, जहाँ पे लोग हम लोगों को खेला देखना आते हैं, या फिर हम लोग घर में बैठ के एट द कंफर्ट ऑफ आवर हाउस वी प्रेफर टू वॉच दैट इन टेलीविजन. नाउ क्रिकेट हैज़ कम आउट टू अ नेक्स्ट लेवल, द IPL, विच इज़ अ मैडनेस. जब से स्टार्ट हुआ था आज तक ऐसा कोई नहीं है who doesn't love IPL, watching IPL, because it's an entertaining thing. It's just not a cricket. It is connected with engagement. It is connected with
हो गया,
entertainment. Now,
उसके ओवर्स कम हो गए.
if we consider the player, if we consider their coach, if we consider analyst, आजकल तो क्रिकेट टीम में साइकोलॉजिस्ट भी होते हैं. If we consider their thing, तो IPL creates a maximum boundary. Everybody is now chasing their dream कि मुझे इतना पैसा लेना है इस फ्रेंचाइजी से, तो I have to play good cricket. And because of that, so many ground level players जो होम ग्राउंड से उठ के आ रहे हैं, वी गेट टू नो अबाउट ये मिस्टर नितेश रेड्डी कौन है, ठीक है, मिस्टर मैंने चेन्नई का जो कैप्टन है ग्वारिकर, मैंने हाउ दिस नेम्स आर कमिंग, रिंकू सिंह फ्रॉम कोलकाता, वी गॉट टू नो अबाउट दिस प्लेयर शिवम दुबे, वी गॉट टू नो अबाउट दिस प्लेयर फ्रॉम दिस IPL only because that creates an affection with this us. Now coming to the opportunity part, mall, if we consider mall एज अ IPL फ्रेंचाइजी, जैसा IPL फ्रेंचाइजी मतलब अलग अलग टीम, जैसे कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स, बैंगलोर रॉयल चैलेंजर्स, राजस्थान रॉयल्स, मुंबई इंडियंस, दे आर ऑल इंडिविजुअल फ्रेंचाइजी. तो इफ आई कंसिडर मॉल एज अ फ्रेंचाइजी, तो just coming to this player, the different brands, different tenants we have inside the mall, they are all different teams. Now coming to the leasing part, कि मुझे यहाँ पे ये ब्रांड लाना है, मुझे ये ब्रांड यहाँ पे भरना है, तो लीजिंग एक्चुअली हैज़ बिकम द ऑक्शन, कि मुझे ये प्लेयर चाहिए, मतलब मुझे एक बैट्समैन चाहिए, एक विकेट कीपर चाहिए, मुझे मेरे टीम में ऑलराउंडर भर गया है तो मुझे एक प्लेयर चाहिए. Before coming to your questions, I'm just giving an example so that people can understand this. Now, मॉल का जो मैनेजमेंट होता है, ऑपरेशन, दे आर एक्चुअली द ऑपरेशनल टीम हु आर एक्चुअली हेल्पिंग टू प्ले द क्रिकेट. तो टीम्स हो गया, फ्रेंचाइजी का टीम्स, देज आर द ब्रांड्स. लीजिंग हैज़ बिकम the most important part. They are the auctions. The management is actually the mall match management team. And marketing जो होता है मॉल के अंदर, events and marketing, they are actually the crowd management. जो crowd देखने आ रहा है, मैं उसको कैसे entertain कर रहा हूँ. तो in a while, all these things actually converge together to create a different meeting point, which is mall nowadays. Like we have brands from where people will shop. We have food joints from where people will come and have foods and have spend good amount of time with their friends and colleagues and family members. It can be a coffee shop, it can be a restaurant, it can be a food court, it can be anything. Maybe a place, a mini auditorium kind of a place where we can hang up maybe a 50-60 feet big LED beside maybe a Starbucks kind of a brand. So people after post office, they prefer to come and spend time over there with their friends and family members with a cup of coffee and watching the match together, because घर जाके मैं अकेला देखूंगा, इससे तो अच्छा है यहाँ पे थे. तो you are binding everyone together under one roof, and that is what the mall is all about today. It is not creating the shopping exposure, it is creating the job opportunity from different perspective. It is actually becoming the job factory, the mall, more than a shopping and a customer experience zone. Now, why I'm saying this? Because now coming to the third part of your questions, that is the opportunity. What are the opportunities are there inside a mall? Now, since I'm saying that people actually perceive mall as a shopping destination, so let's talk about the brand first. What are the opportunities are there inside the brand? Now, starting with the marketing department. Marketing job is to bring footfall. So there is a marketing department inside the ब्रांड स्टोर. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द ब्रांड नाउ. ब्रांड के अंदर जो मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंट है, उन लोगों का काम होता है बाहर कम्युनिकेशन फैला के, एक्टिविटी करके, बाहर से फुटफॉल कस्टमर मॉल तक, मेरे दुकान तक लेके आना. तो मार्केटिंग इज द ओनली फर्स्ट डिपार्टमेंट which a brand has. Second department is the visual merchandising. Their job is to make those people who have come to my store but outside the store, their job is to make them walk inside the store. Like I'm creating a interesting window with mannequins, with danglers, with lights, with different communication, shades of the product. मुझे कलर ब्लॉकिंग करके कपड़े को ऐसे स्टैकिंग करना है ताकि कोई भी अंदर घुसे उसको अच्छा लगे, चलो मैं अच्छे दुकान में घुसा हूँ. इट्स लाइक इट, द परफ्यूम, द स्मेल, द टेम्परेचर इनसाइड द मॉल एंटायरली बीन हैंडल बाय दिस डिपार्टमेंट. थर्ड डिपार्टमेंट जो इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, जिसके साथ हम लोग इंटरेक्ट करते हैं इनसाइड दैट पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड और द स्टोर, दे आर द main contender who are actually dealing with the customer. They are the operational team, sales associate or sales team member. So they have different hierarchy, like marketing or visual merchandiser might be one per store, but sales associate can be 10 to 15 and maybe more than that, depend upon the size of the store. Now, what are their hierarchies? There is a sales associate. They have their team leader. Upon team leader, they have a assistant departmental manager, then the departmental manager, and there is a assistant store manager, then the store manager. So this is the hierarchy, the operation hierarchy, the sales operation hierarchy, which are actually directly dealing with the customer. Then there is a cashier, the finance part. The finance generally doesn't sit in the store or the brand outlet, they are the backend team, but their associates are there in the cash deal. Their job is to take care of the billing part or any offer I'm running. Suppose I'm giving a trolley bag or a dining set or a dinner set on shopping of 3,000 rupees. So what offer will go, what offer will be profitable for my store, and how I am segregating on creating that offer. That also creates a different kind of analysis. So there is a requirement of analyst also, the MIS part. His job or her job is to understand what are the kind of sales I am doing, how many bills are happening per store, and on that basis, what are the need of the customer. So basically, their job is to understand that if I am promoting any offer for my customer, how much will be feasible and profitable. Then there is a housekeeping staff. Their job is to keep the store clean and hygiene. Then there is security and safety staff. Then there is the electronic staff. So this compile the entire one store. Coming to the mall side, now this is for one store. Now you can imagine.
यहाँ पे मैं इंटरप्ट करना चाहूँगा
Please.
अंजुमन आपको
Please.
कि आप जब ब्रांड्स की बात कर रहे हो
Yeah.
और जितने भी कैटेगरी ऑफ जॉब प्रोफाइल की बात किए, अगर हम इन जॉब प्रोफाइल के साथ ये आप अभी बताना चाहोगे कि इन जॉब प्रोफाइल्स में क्या क्वालिफिकेशन या क्या एक्सपीरियंस
I will tell that. Maybe
साथ में या
साथ में बता देंगे. तो जैसे ये one store comprises all these different departments, so you can understand that a mall generally should have 100 to 120, 130 kind of a stores, tenants. That depends upon what are the size of the mall. It varies. Now you can understand that how many staffs are actually required per brand or tenant. Coming to mall, the mall actually starts with various department, starting from safety security. Their job is to handle the crowds, passing them through proper navigational plan. Then there is housekeeping staff. Then there is a leasing staff. Their job is to directly deal with the people who are actually our tenants, the brands. Then there is a events and marketing team. Their job is to curate the plan for the mall that my mall has some schools or colleges in and around. So I should organize something which might attract them and make them come to my mall and spend good quality of time. So I should organize some activity which showcase their talent, so that they understand that mall is organizing or creating a platform to establish their talent. So it's basically a communal hub. I am creating a cultural hub, a communal hub where people started feeling that this is my place. I should go with not only with my friends or colleagues, but also with my family members. Then there is a CRM team, and above all, there is a mall management team. As I mentioned, if you consider the mall as a IPL franchisee, the mall manager is basically the head coach for individual franchisee owners. Now, he has a different kind of a role to play. I'm just giving an example of Mumbai ka Dabba Wala. You might have heard. Yes. I think all of you might have heard that they are actually dealing with the dabbas, means tiffin boxes, every day. They have to handle almost lakhs or more than that, 1 lakh tiffin box a day, because their job is to deliver and distribute those tiffin boxes to the respective offices as per their the requirement. And they are
employees in the offices.
Exactly. So they are doing it since quite a long time with 99% accuracy. इसका टिफिन बॉक्स मैं उसको नहीं दे सकता. तो just imagine a mall with all these tenants. They are actually a big hub where almost 5,000 to 6,000 employees are all working, and it is basically a combination of different departments. There is housekeeping, there is safety security, there is leasing, there is marketing, there is operation, there is finance. It's basically a live orchestra who are actually doing the live performance almost every day without a break. And this is the continuous thing. You will be surprised to know that a mall consumes power which is equivalent to at least 5,000 to 6,000 house per day. So you can understand that where is the requirement. Now, considering the growth, technical requirement, AI growth we have today in the market, a person, a student who has that courage, who has minimum at least graduation and post graduation, whatever minimum graduation must should have. Or for maybe sales associate, there are few brands who are actually allowing class 12 pass students also, unless until you have to be very much good in terms of communication skill, maybe Hindi, maybe English, maybe Bengali as per the regional route, maybe Uriya, maybe Assamese, whatever, but you have to deal with your customer fluently and make them convinced that I am listening to you, you also listen to me. Those who have that capability, talk to customer capability, interpersonal skill, courage, basic education, graduation, post graduation, or minimum class 12 pass based on the hierarchy the mall or the management requires, I think there is a huge source or chunk of requirement are coming in front of the students or the colleges who are actually checking out mall as a shopping destination. Believe me, mall is just not a shopping destination. It is not only a meeting point. There is a big battalion walking behind each and every brand which is invisible during your visit, but वो लोग है तो मॉल का ऑपरेशन ऐसे है, अगर वो लोग नहीं होते तो यू कैनॉट सी अ मॉल बिहेविंग लाइक दिस वेर यू गेट टू सी और गेट टू एंगेज और गेट टू एंजॉय so many opportunity in a flickering of eye. So this is what it is, and these are the opportunities which is lying behind all of them. I think this is a bigger opportunity which is lying behind them, and that is, you can say, the biggest comeback of the mall, and this is the revolution in the retail ecosystem.
तो आप अभी अपने जो बोला वो सिर्फ सेल्स के लिए बोला या ओवरऑल सबके लिए आप
मैं ओवरऑल सबके लिए बोल रहा हूँ.
लेकिन यहाँ पे एक इंफॉर्मेशन अगर आप दो कि डिफरेंट ब्रांड हैं, तो डिफरेंट ब्रांड तो अपने डिफरेंट पेरेंट्स कंपनी से एसोसिएट करते हैं, तो उनका रिक्रूटमेंट कैसे होगा, इसका प्रोसेस क्या हो सकता है? अगर किसी यंग स्टूडेंट्स को या प्रोस्पेक्टिव जो कैंडिडेट है वो डिफरेंट प्रोफाइल को इवेलुएट एक्सप्लोर करना चाहता है तो वो क्या करे?
से मैं इसका भी जवाब दो टाइप से देना चाहूँगा. पहले यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट मॉल का ऑपरेशन कैसे काम करता है. एक तो सपोज आई एम क्रिएटिंग अ न्यू मॉल जहाँ पे मे बी 230 ब्रांड्स आउटलेट का जगह है, तो लीजिंग टीम का पहला काम होगा कि आई नीड टू क्रिएट अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ मिक्स. मैं एक मॉल में एक ही ब्रांड को 10 दुकान नहीं दे सकता. लाइक लोग आके सोचेंगे ये तो शॉपिंग फैशन मॉल है, इसमें सिर्फ कपड़े का दुकान है और कुछ नहीं है. तो आई हैव टू क्रिएट अ बैलेंस बिटवीन लगेज, बिटवीन एक्सेसरीज, शूज, स्पोर्ट्स, होमवेयर, home items, fashion items. Then there should be a multiplex where people can come and watch movie. There should be a food court where different types of foods I need to keep. There should be momo, there should be pizza, there should be burger, there should be ice cream, there should be anything. People are actually prefer this kind of foods. And if a mall is having this kind of a mix, only then your mall is successful. Otherwise, वो लोग इधर उधर चले जाएंगे.
Kids playing area.
Yeah, kids. Yeah, I must say that today it is not only kids playing area. It is also about bank. It is all about co-working space. There are malls where you can get to have co-working space. आपके लिए काम करने के लिए स्टार्टअप हो आप, आपके काम करने के लिए ऑफिस नहीं है, ऑफिस बनाने के लिए, ऑफिस के रेंट के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा लगता है, तो यू आर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग मीटिंग, डूइंग वर्क्स विथ योर कलीग्स इनसाइड दैट co-working space. There are pathological labs. There are banks, there are ATMs. Okay, so what is not there inside a mall nowadays? And even if you can go and see, there are malls in different cities also. They are creating, maybe winter आ रहा है, they are creating a Disneyland inside the mall. A completely Disneyland कि आप उधर नहीं जा सकते हो तो आप इधर आ जाओ. And अगर मैं उसकी बात करूँ, Disneyland is not about only rides. It is also about giving experience. And believe me, this kind of combination actually creating a different kind of a ball game. Now, these brands are coming to mall, तो they are having a different kind of a association with the mall. मैं रेवेन्यू जनरेशन में जा सकता हूँ कि मैं भी कमाऊँगा, आप भी कमाओ, कि we will share the percentage. रेवेन्यू शेयरिंग. There is a consignment plan कि मैंने खरीद लिया ब्रांड को, जगह को, एंड मैंने खरीद के एक पैसा दे दिया मॉल को, एंड मैं खुद किसी और को दे दिया, यहाँ पे आप दुकान लाओ, मैं उसके साथ उसके पास से मैं अपना पैसा लूंगा.
मतलब मॉल में कुछ स्पेसेस होंगे जो इन्वेस्टर टाइप के लोग
इन्वेस्टर्स भी खरीद लेते हैं, एंड दे कैन सेल इट टू सम अदर ब्रांड्स. तो दे आर गिविंग रेंट टू दैट इन्वेस्टर्स, नॉट डायरेक्टली टू द मॉल. दे माइट हैव सम रिक्वायरमेंट्स लाइक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड पावर कंजम्पशन दैट दे टॉक टू अस, बट I'm saying because I'm also handling 6 different malls, and that's why I'm having that experience. So that is why I'm saying that this is the requirement. Now coming to the requirement part. Now the local store, the local mall, whatever brands are there inside that mall, वो फ्रेंचाइजी का हो सकता है, ब्रांड का खुद का हो सकता है, या फिर मे बी अ पॉपअप स्टोर. आपने देखे होंगे पॉपअप एंड कियोस्क किसको बोलते हैं. मॉल में बहुत सारे जगह पे आउटसाइड दुकान देयर आर सम टेम्पोररी स्टोर्स, कियोस्क, जस्ट टू टेस्ट द फ्रेग्रेंसेस, जस्ट टू गिव यू द फील ऑफ अ कॉस्मेटिक्स. बहुत सारे होते हैं. दे आर टेम्पोररी कियोस्क, दे आर नॉट एबल टू गिव दैट मच ऑफ रेंट विच अ मॉल मैनेजमेंट इज आस्किंग. दैट्स वाई दे क्रिएट अ वेरी स्मॉल 10 बाई 10 का एक दुकान होता है. नाउ कमिंग टू द रिक्वायरमेंट पार्ट. हर एक का रिक्वायरमेंट अलग होता है. सपोज मेरा एक दुकान है ABC, जिसका हेड ऑफिस है बैंगलोर में. मेरा दुकान खुला है कोलकाता में, एंड दैट्स टू अ फ्रेंचाइजी स्टोर. अगर रिक्वायरमेंट रीजनल है तो रिक्वायरमेंट का जो पब्लिकेशंस है, कम्युनिकेशन है, वो भी रीजनली आएगा. वो बैंगलोर से नहीं बोलेगा कि आप कोलकाता में जाके देखो, वहाँ पे एक दुकान में मेरा रिक्वायरमेंट है. तो यू हैव टू बी वेरी मच क्यूरियस, अटेंटिव, जस्ट टू हैव एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग के कहाँ पे कितना रिक्वायरमेंट है. There is a help desk, there is a CSD desk inside every mall. You can have a get in touch with them just to understand अभी कहीं पे कोई opportunity है कि नहीं. Today, all the mall social media pages are very much active. They prefer to give any kind of query answers कि मैं बटुआ भूल आया, मूवी देखने गया था, सीट में बटुआ रख के चला आया, आप एक बार बोल देंगे मुझे मिलने के लिए. स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस टू मैं अपने बाइक में हेलमेट रख के चला है, वो चोरी हो गया. दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेरीज आर ऑल्सो कमिंग टू द मॉल मैनेजमेंट ऑफिस. तो दे हैव टू डील विद दिस काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग्स ऑल्सो कि मेरा हेलमेट चोरी हो गया, मैं पर्स भूल आया. ठीक है, मैंने शॉपिंग किया बट मैं घर आके देख रहा हूँ कि आपके सिस्टम ने ज़्यादा पैसा ले लिया. बहुत सारे चीज़ होते हैं. तो बट सोर्स इज सेम. If you are curious, if you are enthusiastic, if you want to know that if there is any opportunity or not, you should definitely be in touch with those respective malls, any specific brands you are willing to work. You need to be in touch with them. Suppose आज opportunity नहीं है, ओपनिंग नहीं है,
हाँ.
ज़रूरी नहीं है कि अगले 2 महीने में नहीं होगा. मे बी उसका कोई सेल्स एसोसिएट को कोई बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला है, वो शिफ्टेड टू सम अदर स्टोर, तो दैट पोजीशन बिकम्स वैकेंट एंड दे माइट थिंक अबाउट कि एक बंदा बोल के गया था, तो आई माइट शुड कॉल हिम और हर.
यहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन हो रहा है कि आप जो बोल रहे हो कि ओपनिंग के लिए अगर क्वेरी किया जाए तो ये तो मॉल मैनेजमेंट के पास हम क्वेरी नहीं करेंगे, ये तो पर्टिकुलर शायद ब्रांड के पास ही क्वेरी.
मॉल मैनेजमेंट के लिए नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, बट क्या होता है कि मॉल इज़ अ बिग अम्ब्रेला जिसके अंदर इतने सारे दुकान हैं. कौन सा दुकान में जाना है, हर दुकान में जाके तो मैं अपना CV नहीं दे सकता. तो CSD इज़ अ वन कॉमन पॉइंट वेर यू कैन कम अप विथ एंड गिव यू दैट कनेक्शन कि मेरा को जॉब करने का इच्छा है. इफ देयर इज एनी अपॉर्चुनिटी फ्रॉम एनीवेयर, प्लीज लेट मी नो.